In this video, I'm going to be replacing this battery terminal connector that's attached to this fuse link. So the Xterras have a fuse link connected to the positive battery terminal. I started having these issues where even though the battery terminal bolt was tight, I could literally pull the connector off the post without loosening anything. So that means that it's lost its grip, which causes a bad contact, voltage drop, or worse, a complete power loss. But before you do anything, make sure to disconnect the negative battery terminal first. That way, you won't risk any sparks or short circuits while working on the positive side. And all I used for that was a 10mm wrench. All I had to do was replace the battery terminal connector that the fuse link bolts onto. And the good news is, I don't have to replace the whole fuse link. I had to use a drill to release this nut, otherwise it wouldn't come off. And I used a 10mm socket. Disconnect the fuse link from the old connector. I sprayed a battery cleaner on the post, and then I cleaned the post. This little piece made all the difference. So then you connect the battery connector to the fuse link and then tighten down the 10mm nut. Then tighten down the 10mm nut that connects the battery terminal connector to the fuse link. Then you're going to tighten down the other 10mm nut that connects the connector to the battery terminal. And now we have a tight, solid connection that's not going anywhere. And then it's time to reconnect the negative battery cable. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like this.